How to stop friend suggestions on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to stop friend suggestions on Snapchat, what you're simply gonna do is first launch Snapchat on your device. Now, in the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji. Click on it. Then, in the top right, you'll see the settings icon. Go there. After that, scroll a bit down and under privacy control, you'll see the option which says see me in find friends. Open it, then you'll see one option. Just toggle it off. Now again, scroll to the top of the page and under my accounts, you'll see the option which says notifications. Click on it, then it'll take you to this sort of page. Now scroll a bit down and over here in friend suggestions you can see three options which are all toggled on. Toggle it off and there you go. Now this will stop friend suggestions on Snapchat. So hope you like it. Thank you for watching till the end of the video and see you in the next video.